Planning balanced diet. To set yourself up for success, think about planning a healthy diet as a number of small manageable steps rather than one big drastic changes. A healthy diet is one that helps to maintain or improve overall health. A healthy diet provides the body with essential nutrition like fluid, adequate essential amino acid from protein, essential fatty acids, vitamin, minerals and adequate calories. What do you understand by the term balanced diet? A balanced diet is one that gives your body the nutrition it needs to function properly. In order to get balanced nutrition, you should obtain the majority of your daily calories from fresh fruits and vegetable, whole grain and protein. At the core of balanced diet are foods that are high in vitamins and other nutrients and low in unnecessary fats and sugar. The goal is to take in nutrient you need for health at the recommended level. A healthy diet supports the energy need and provides for child nutrition without exposure to excessive weight gain from consuming excessive amount. What is unhealthy diet? An unhealthy diet fails to provide your body with the correct amount and types of nutrient for maximum health. An unhealthy diet, in contrast, is one that contains too much saturated trans fats, cholesterol, sodium, added sugar, or contains too few nutrients. Unhealthy diets result in a poor nutrient to calorie ratio, which can lead to weight gain and malnutrition as well as related health problems. Moving further, let us study how to maintain a balanced diet. Eating a healthy and balanced diet, it is an important part of maintaining good health and can help you to feel your best. It does not have to be difficult either. It is important to make sure that your diet is well balanced in order to achieve good health and avoid long-term diseases. As our life becomes busier, this can be more difficult. There are some important steps to maintain a balanced diet, that is, eat fruits and vegetables, eat protein, eat dairy products, eat carbohydrates, be careful with sugars, salts and fats. Now, let us go through the above mentioned steps which are important to maintain a balanced diet. Fruits and vegetables. It provides health benefits. People who eat more vegetables and fruits as a part of an overall healthy diet are likely to have a reduced risk of some chronic diseases. Vegetables provide nutrients vital for health and maintenance of your body. But studies have shown that the majority of the population are not eating enough of them. Proteins. Proteins are the main building blocks of the body. They are used to make muscles, organs and skin. Protein is not just about quantity, it is all about quality. Generally speaking, animal protein provide all the essential amino acids in the right ratio for us to make full use of them. Dairy products. Milk products do not seem to be associated with type 2 diabetes. However, for people with a lactose intolerance or an allergy to milk, getting enough dairy in their diet can be more difficult, although there are many substitutes for the real things. Carbohydrates. Carbs can help to boost your mood, it can help to prevent weight gain or even promote weight loss. Most carbohydrates provide a long-lasting slow release of energy which prevents an energy crash throughout the day. The best type of carbohydrates is whole grain products. Be careful with sugar. The bad sugar is the one that we add to coffee, desserts or fruit juice. That is the mistake. We add more quantity than the amount we need. Avoid market salad dressing, energy drinks, cookies, frappes, sodas. They are full of hidden sugar. You do not need to add sugar to your meal and avoid fruit juices. It is important to include a little bit in your diet. It is just all about finding the correct balance. Be careful with fats. Fats raises blood cholesterol level. High blood cholesterol is a risk factor for heart disease. People with diabetes are at a high risk for heart disease, and limiting your saturated fat can help to lower your risk of having a heart attack or stroke. Saturated fats are found in foods such as meat, butter, cheese and eggs. Unsaturated fats are found in oily fishes, virgin olive oil, sunflower oil, nuts and seeds. Healthy eating is very important for child nutrition and health. Thank you.